Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very powerful spell. That spell you need to do, you just need to write on your right palm or on your right hand or even on your working hand. Some people are left-handed, some are right-handed. So what you need to do, whichever is your working hand, if you write it with your left hand, you are going to use your left hand, and if you are a right hand person, you are going to write it on your right hand. For instance, I am right-handed person, so this is my right palm which is there in front of you. You will start writing this spell from this direction, like this. In this way you are going to write, right? You will write first name, second name, third name, fourth name, right? This is a 4 to 5 name spell which you are going to write. Now, before getting into the technicality of this spell, I would give you certain vital instructions which are quite mandatory, and everyone must follow these instructions. Instructions are there in front of you right now. I hope everyone is able to see them. So first of all, the spell which you are going to use a red sketch pen for writing the name or the spell. Second thing is that you have to write the name at 3:13 in the afternoon. And third thing is that you will start casting this spell only on rainy day. It should not be sunny day. It should not be having a dark day. It should be a rainy day, or the day which just had rain, or even if it is raining, you can cast or you can use this spell or this method to get your love. Now, second thing is that as soon as you have done it, it works very well on long distance relationships. Some spells are there that you need to ask your partner to consume something, or you make sure that your partner is eating something. There is nothing like this. In this spell, you are just going to write something on your right palm or on your right working hand, and your work will be done. These are the 3 instructions which are there in your screen right now. That is, it should be practiced on rainy day only. This is the pre-vital or at most requirement of this spell. Now, what you need to write and how you need to write, I am telling you. This is the spell which is there in your front screen right now. Write TN means target person's name. Write how you are going to write. You will make your palm like this. Here you will write, for example, target person name is Sonali, so you will write down Sonali here, right? Then Kulup, right? Then your name, and then Vasani here. Make sure that you are writing the name on the working hand. For example, my right hand is the working hand, so at most care and be cautious, because there should not be any spelling error or spelling mistake. It would be very difficult for you to write with your non-working hand, but slowly you have to do it, and with this you will be able to do it. And in the afternoon at 3 p.m. you are going to start it. Now, once you have done it completely, you will close your fist. You will make a fist, and the fist has to be like this. You have to close your fist for minimum 2 to 3 hours so that sweat starts coming, or the fingers or the at least thumb get little bit wet. Once you have done it completely and immediately your partner has called you, once your partner has called you, you have to answer his or her phone with this hand only. Then only you need to open this fist, right? Chances are there that she might call you within 10 to 15 minutes. but you need to close the fist for minimum 2 hours. Do not interrupt between, do not get interrupted in between. Make sure that no one disturbs you, and do not answer his or her call probably after 10 to 15 minutes, because it's too powerful that he or she will not be able to resist you. This spell is in your front of your screen right now. If you need any other information, you can call us on the number which is there in your screen right now, or you can drop a comment as well. And I would request all my viewers that must share your experience, what kind of a results you have got, by commenting your experience in the comment box. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.